Class 2 Environmental Studies Semester 2 Unit 2 The World Around Me Chapter 5 Air. Dear children, can you hold your breath for 15 seconds? I know that is a difficult task. We can't live without breathing. We need air to breathe. Did you see air with your eyes? No, we cannot see air because air is colorless. But we can feel wind. Wind is moving air. Air is a mixture of many gases surrounding the earth. When we breathe, we use oxygen gas present in the air. We need oxygen gas to live. Now let us find how a diver breathes. Do you know who is a diver? A diver is someone who works underwater. For breathing in underwater, diver carries oxygen cylinder on his back and he breathes through an oxygen mask connected to the cylinder. Have you heard about astronauts? An astronaut is a person who travels beyond Earth's atmosphere. There is no air outside the Earth's atmosphere, so they wear special space suits which provide them enough oxygen to breathe in. You know, all plants and animals breathe. They need oxygen to breathe in. Plants need air to prepare their food as well. They use carbon dioxide gas present in air to make their food and oxygen gas to breathe. Plants prepare their food in their leaves. Leaves also help them to breathe. Some plants need air to disperse their seeds. Seeds of such plants are taken to different places by wind. This is one of the reasons to grow plants where without their seeds being sown. Animals live in water also breathe. They need air to breathe. From where they get air to breathe? Air is present in the water. Fish take in air from the water with the help of their gills. When water flowing through gills, they absorb oxygen present in water. Did you ever try to fill balloons with air? What you understood from that? When we fill air inside a balloon, the size of the balloon increases. That means air fills space. If you place an air-filled balloon on a weighing machine, you can see weighing machines showing some value. If you measure the weight of the same balloon after releasing air, then you can see that the weight is less than the previous measure. This means that air has weight. Do you believe if I say air contains water? Let us check it out. Pour some ice cold water in a glass. After some time, you can see water drops on the outer side of the glass. These water drops came from the air. This shows that air contains water. Burning things need air to keep them burning. Oxygen gas helps things to burn. Burning things will create some unwanted gases which will make air dirty. Air becomes dirty or polluted due to smoke of cars, buses, factories, etc. This polluted air can make us ill. Plants help to make the air clean. Clean air helps us to being healthy. So we should grow plants near our house and school to get fresh air and shade. Dear children, air is very important for all living things in the world. We should try to keep our air clean. Read chapter 6 from second semester textbook and do exercises. Thank you.